So we're gonna be changing the clutch on this one. So looks like these are all extra oil leaks that have to be taken care of also. But yeah, that's probably from the valve cover. So change the clutch, take it off, do the rear main seal, and then once that's finished, then we're gonna put a new one on and then move around to finish up the timing belt. This is the transmission. It looks dingy, so I'm gonna have to clean this out also, just to make sure that's so I'm not sure how good this is coming out, but clutch is kind of very spotty, so a lot of heat went through it. Flywheel is the same. So this is a stock flywheel. So now we're just going to take out the rear main seal. It's just held in place by all these bolts. By doing it that way, make sure not to damage the aluminum. So normally I just hit the top end, so this way it kind of push the bottom out a little bit. It makes it easier to pry it out. It makes things a little bit harder when it's so unstable. So basically just gonna clean off the surface and then put the new seal in and then slap it back on. Okay, so what now? Okay, so the rear main seal is installed. Tighten it down. Now I'm just gonna slide the pan back on, so this way I can at least rest the motor down. Okay, so far we were able to change the cam seals. Just basically take this cover off, pop these caps up, take them off, and just slide the seal in. Put the cover back on, and basically have the motor suspended in the air right now. The clutch is on. Yeah, I didn't clean it here as much as well as I wanted, but I'm running low on time, so yes. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna put everything back together, change this seal back here and on the distributors. So once I put the transmission on, then I could just wash the entire engine one more time and clean up the outside. The marks are a little bit crooked, so you have to turn this cam angle to be 90 degrees up in the air, like this one is. This one's up. This one's a bit crooked, so turn this one a little bit to where these two marks right here line up, right here and right here, and then you could just tighten everything up. timing belt is all done. I tried my best to record what I could, but some areas are just kind of hard and butterfly, and just didn't have enough space to really give you a good video, but did the best I could. Timing belt is on. I've got a tensioner. This mark got to line up with this. This got to line up with this, and there's same thing on this portion. There's a little bolt to the back. When we took it off, the same way, that bolt, you take that bolt out, stick a screwdriver in there and lock it in place, and that's it. So yeah, she's good. Just got, right now we're changing the rear seal. So basically just gotta take the valve cover off like before, take these 10s out, pop it up, take, clean the surface and just pop that out. So the cam cap is off. You do have to put silicone or Honda Bond when you're putting this back on. You just clean the surface, put the new cap on, and line it with Honda Bond. Crank it to build up some oil pressure. Right now the distributor is disconnected, so okay, now we're just gonna reconnect everything and start her up.